Okay, so I have 2 hours to get ready. Me and Kyler are having a wee date night tonight and we're just gonna go and have dinner and go to the cinema. Ooh. I'm just gonna be doing something pretty simple, really. I'm gonna try and keep this drugstore affordable. Well, all the products I've lifted out earlier, they're like drugstore or affordable in some way, shape or form. And I'm not really gonna do anything too crazy in the eyes because I'm just going to the cinema. Although I have lifted out the, I don't actually know if you can still get this on Colourpop, probably not, and if you can I do apologise, but the Colourpop Play It Cool palette, or Play It Cool palette. So these shades and tones here, how pretty are these shades though, absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to kind of play around with those but still keeping it quite simple, and I'm also not going to be using any foundation today either, so I'll just mainly be using like concealers and the Rimmel Multitasker Better Than Filters. I take the shade Light Medium. This product is like nearly like having a foundation on it anyway because I feel like it really does act like a filter on your skin whilst giving it a wee bit of a tint and a bit of a glow. It's honestly like the most beautiful product I have used in such a long time. I'm going to take just the tiniest wee bit of this fine concealer. Don't necessarily think it's drugstore, but it is kind of somewhat affordable if you get a bit of discount on TikTok shop. Let me live. But I'm just going to use this as a wee bit of coverage. And then a wee bit of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's in the shade Fair Warm. Yeah. Do you remember years ago whenever e.l.f. used to do like their £1 or $1 products? GLAM Warm Honey Skin Sculpt. Cream blush. I'm going to take this wee one from Studio London. Oh. I have this theory where you see the cheaper the brand, or maybe cheap sounds nasty, but the more affordable the brand is, I feel like sometimes the more pigmented the products are. Maybe not eyeshadows, and maybe not, but you see whenever it comes to cream blush, I have found that the more affordable the brand, the more intensely pigmented the cream blush is. And it's just boom, straight away, pigment. Whereas if the blush is more of a higher end brand, I feel like you're gonna get a really nice payoff of pigment, but it is gonna be a wee bit sheerer and you're gonna be able to like nicely build it up if you want to. So like take this for example, it's just straight away boom, pigment. And I will never learn my lesson because I always go in so heavy-handed. I love this blush though. It's a beautiful colour and the formula is so easy to work with. It's so easy to blend. So if you end up putting too much on, you're able to blend it out. But I don't know, like has anybody else experienced that? I Heart Evolution powder. I have no idea why, but it has stuck to my lips. Collection Filter Setting Spray. Luminoso and Bella Bellini. I don't really know why I need to swatch these, but I feel like I always need to remind myself of what they look like. I think I'll go for Luminoso. I was thinking Bella Bellini there, but I think Luminoso might go with the shades in the palette better. Morphe bronzer. Just mainly to set the cream bronzer on my forehead. First off, going to take this shade just on a fluffy brush and pop it within the crease. Oh, I have just got so tired all of a sudden. Give me energy. I'm so excited for food tonight though. We're literally just going to get a McDonald's, drive through, and that'll do it. You know the way sometimes you just take cravings for really shit food, just something shit and quick, and that's just what I'm really craving at the minute. Just a good old McDonald's. And do you know something, like that's really like the only thing we have. Like it's one thing I'm so jealous of Americans. You have so much food, anything, like choices of food, whereas like like you see around here we have McDonald's, KFC if you're brave enough. I love KFC, but going into KFC around where I live, you nearly need to prepare yourself mentally for it. But yeah, the only place that we have like drive-thrus around here for food is McDonald's, KFC and Burger King, and that's if it's open. 9 out of 10 times it's not. Will we do a bit of a smoky liner? Will we? Oh god, that felt good. Okay, so now into this shade. And taking a clean brush and back into that shade. I'm going to take this shade here and just using like that in between shade to just do a wee bit of blend in at the outer corner, and then in with the first brush and first shade. Wow, what is this? What is this eye makeup like? This looks awful. And I have to repeat it on the other side. I'm taking this darkest shades and pressing that along the lash line, mainly just at the outer corner. There, that's so much better. Trust the process. Just need a wee bit of depth and a bit of darkness just along that lash line, especially at the outer corner, just to set that off a wee bit. And I don't know if this lip combo will go, but we'll try it anyway. Let's see. I can take it off if I don't like it. So this is the Juvia's Place Luxe Lip Liner in the shade So Rare. Oh, these are creamy. A Be Perfect lipstick in the shade Plump. This really is such a beautiful lip colour. Just not sure it's gonna match the eyes. I always remember to get rid of my facial hair after I do my makeup. I really want to do faux freckles, but I'm going to use my wee Maybe Mitchell liner to do my spots. Guys, thanks all so much for watching. All the products that I did use to be listed and linked down below in the description box for you. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you in my next one.